Hello, my name is Abraham and you're very much welcome to my English to Tuwali Ifugao tutorial. So for today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you some English to Ifugao questions with how. And of course, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. So without further ado, let's start. Actually, there are various ways on how we say how. So we have here the first one. Ngane di aton. Ngane di aton. But when we speak fast, we can just say ngane aton. Ngane aton. Ngane aton. The next one is how much. How to say how much? We say it as Kaatnay. 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 Alright. And of course, how are or how is. So we can just say, kumusta? Kumusta? The first question is how to say, how to cook adobo. Well, adobo is a kind of Filipino dish. How to cook adobo? In Tuwali Ifugao, we say it as ngane di aton an munhaang hi adobo. Ngane di aton an munhaang hi adobo. When we speak fast, we say it as ngane aton an munhaang hi adobo. Ngane aton an munhaang hi adobo. Ngane aton an munhaang hi adobo. Alright. So, if you're going to use how to plus verb, it's better for you to say, or it's better for you to use ngane di aton. Okay. Alright, so let's have here the words. Ngane aton an. It simply means how to. Munhaang or munhaang is cook. Adobo is just adobo. Alright, so let's say it again. Follow after me. Let's say the sentence. Ngane aton an munhaang hi adobo. Ngane aton an munhaang hi adobo. Ngane aton an munhaang hi adobo. Perfect. When you're traveling in Ifugao, you'll probably find different types of foods, and you're probably wondering how to eat it. So you want to ask the question, how to eat this? So how to say how to eat this in Ifugao? So in Ifugao, or in Tuwali Ifugao, we say this as ngane di aton an mangan pituwe. Ngane di aton an mangan pituwe. But when we speak fast, we just say ngane aton an mangan pituwe. Follow after me. Ngane aton an mangan pituwe. Ngane aton an mangan pituwe. One more time. Ngane aton an mangan pituwe. Alright. So, ngane aton an is simply how to. Mangan is eat. Pituwe means this. Okay. The third one, let's have the phrase how to make. How to make. Alright? So, how to say how to make avocado ice cream. How to make avocado ice cream. In Tuwali Ifugao, we say it as ngane di aton an mangipod hi ice cream. Ngane di aton an mangipod hi ice cream. When we speak fast, Nganay aton an mangipod hi ice cream? Nganay aton an mangipod hi ice cream? Nganay aton an mangipod hi ice cream? Alright. Nganay aton an means how to. Make means mangipod or how to make. Nganay aton an mangipod. Okay, let's say the sentence again. Repeat after me. Nganay aton an mangipod hi avocado ice cream? Nganay aton an mangipod hi avocado ice cream? Nganay aton an mangipod hi avocado ice cream? Right. Question number 4. How to get to your home? How to get to your home? So in Ifugao, nganay di aton an ume hi bareyu? Nganay di aton an ume hi bareyu? When we speak fast, we say it as nganay aton an ume bareyu? Nganay aton an ume bareyu? Nganay aton an ume bareyu? Alright. Follow after me. Let's say it 3 times. Nganay aton an ume bareyu? Nganay aton an ume bareyu? Nganay aton an ume bareyu? That's great. So, nganay aton an means how to. Ume means get. Bare means house. Alright. Question number 5. How to get there? Alright. In Tuwali Ifugao, we say it as nganay di aton an ume hidi? Nganay di aton an ume hidi? But when we speak fast, nganay aton, we blend nganay di aton to nganay aton. Nganay aton an umehdi? Nganay aton an umehdi? Alright, repeat after me. Nganay aton an umehdi? Nganay aton an umehdi? Nganay aton an umehdi? Alright. Nganay aton an just simply means how to. Umehdi means get there. How to get there? Nganay aton an umehdi? Alright. Alright, let's move on to number 6, which is how are or how is. Okay, so let's say how to say how are you? How are you? In Ifugao, you can just say kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Or kumusta ka ngay? Kumusta ka ngay? Both is okay. Repeat after me again. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? And the other sentence. Kumusta ka ngay? Kumusta ka ngay? Kumusta ka ngay? That's great. Number 7. How to say, how's your vacation? How's your vacation? In Tuwali Ifugao, we say it as kumusta nan bakasyon mo? Kumusta nan bakasyon mo? Kumusta nan bakasyon mo? Or, if we blend kumusta nan, we can just say, Kumustan bakasyon mo? In speaking, when we speak fast. Kumusta nan bakasyon mo? Kumustan bakasyon mo? Repeat after me. Kumustan bakasyon mo? Kumustan bakasyon mo? Kumustan bakasyon mo? Kumustan means how is. Bakasyon means vacation. Alright. And number 8. How to say, how old are you? How old are you? We say it as, Kaatna di toon mo? Kaatna di toon mo? Or when we speak fast, Kaatnay. We use Kaatnay. Kaatnay toon mo? Kaatnay toon mo? Repeat after me. Kaatnay toon mo? Kaatnay toon mo? Kaatnay toon mo? It means, how old are you? So, Kaatna means how much? How old? Kaatnay toon means how old. Mo is you. Kaatnay toon mo. Alright. Question number 9. Sometimes when you go to the market and you really don't know the price of something, then you really wanted to ask the price. So how to say, how much is this? How much is this? So you say, Kaatna hi tuwe? Kaatna hi tuwe? Hi tuwe means this. Is this? Kaatna hi tuwe? But when we speak fast, we say Kaatna, Kaatna, Kaatna. Okay. Kaatna tuwe? Kaatna tuwe? Repeat after me. Kaatna tuwe? Kaatna tuwe? Kaatna tuwe? So it means, how much is this? And number 10, how to say, how much is a kilo? How much is a kilo? So in Tuwali Ifugao, we say it as, Kaatna di oha an kilo. Kaatna di oha an kilo. But when we speak faster, we say Kaatnay. Kaatnay ohan kilo. Kaatnay ohan kilo. Repeat after me. Kaatnay ohan kilo. Kaatnay ohan kilo. Kaatnay ohan kilo. That's great. There is also a phrase, Kaatnay oha. Kaatnay oha. Kaatnay oha literally means, how much is one? When you are asking how much is a piece of something, like for example, how much is a piece of apple? So you can just say, Kaatnay oha, or Kaatnay ohan apple. Or when you're pointing to something, you can just say, Kaatnay oha. Alright. Kaatnay oha. So let's have a short review. How to say, how to cook adobo. Nganay aton an munhang hi adobo. Nganay aton an munha ang hi adobo? Number 2, how to say, how to eat this? Nganay aton an mangan kituwe? Nganay aton an mangan kituwe? Number 3, how to make avocado ice cream? Nganay aton an mangiphod hi avocado ice cream? Nganay aton an mangiphod hi avocado ice cream? Number 4, how to say, how to get to your home? Nganay aton an umeh bareyu? Nganay aton an umeh bareyu? Number 5, how to say, how to get there? Nganay aton an umehdi? Nganay aton an umehdi? Number 6, how to say, how are you? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Number 7, how to say, how's your vacation? Kumustan bakasin mo? Kumustan bakasin mo? Number 8, how to say, how old are you? Kaatnay taon mo? Kaatnay taon mo? And how to say, how much is this? Kaatnah tuwe? Kaatnah tuwe? And number 10, how to say, how much is a kilo? Kaatnay ohan kilo? Kaatnay ohan kilo? And another, how to say, kaatnay oha? Or how much is one? Okay, how much is one means kaatnay oha. That's the end of our lesson for today, so please don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for our next lesson. Thank you so much and have a great day.